Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new exercise number 6.2, in which you will be learning about expanded notation for decimals. Okay, so what is today's date? See, weekly we will be doing 2 days Google Meet class. Okay, 2 days Google Meet class in which we will be clarifying all the doubts. Okay, whatever we are doing throughout the week. Okay, so what is today's date? Today is 26th August 2020, and we are going to start with exercise 6.2. Clear? See here, exercise 6.2. Write the following in expanded form. Here the question is asking to write the following in expanded form. See how to do this. Question is 5.3. Solution. See, 5 is at 1's place and 3 is at 10th place. Clear? Now, for this, what you can write? You can write 5 plus 3 is at 10th place. So, the value will be 3 upon 10. 5 whole 3 by 10. So, this is the expanded form of 5.3. Let me take one more question. Question number D. 10. Sorry. Question number C. 10.05. Clear? See here, this is 10 plus 0 upon 10. 0 is at 10th place and 5 is at 100th place. So 5 upon 100. Like this, you have to do question number 1. Okay. Now question number 2. Fill in the place holders. See here, decimal number is given. You have to write this in expanded form only. Clear? See. Here, 9 is at 10th place. So 9 upon 10. Clear? And 4 is at 100th place. So write 100. Like this you have to fill. Okay. So question number 2 you can easily do. See here, 1 is at 10th place, so 10. 2 is at 1's place, so write 2 here. And 5 is at 10th place, so write 10 here. Clear? So question number 2 is very simple for you. You can do question number 2 by yourself. Clear? So I am giving you homework. Question number B, D, E, and question number 2. Okay, now question number 3. Look at what is there in question number 3. Write in short form. Write in short form. Question number 3. A. 3 plus 0.3 plus 0.04. Okay, now how to write this in short form? See here, you just mark the place value. Here 3 is at 1's place, 0.3. After point 3 is at 10th place, and see here it is 10th, and 4 is at 100th. Here 0 is also at 1's place. So you just add the place values. 3 plus 0 is how much? 3 plus 0 is 3 only. Decimal will be decimal only. See what is there at 10th? 3, and here 0. 3 plus 0 is 3 only, and 100th place is not here, but here it is, so 4. So the value will be 3.34. Like this, if you are arranging this in place value chart, you can easily write it. Clear? So it is very simple to do. Let's do one more question. Question number B. Question number B is also similar. 10 plus 2 plus 0.1 plus 0.03. Clear? Now see, just mark the place value. See, 2 is at 1's place, 0 is also at 1's place, 1 is at 10th place, here 0 is also at 1's place. Point 1, 1 is at 10th place, TTH I am writing for 10th, okay. 0 is at 1's place, again here 0 is at 10th place, and this 3 is at 100th place. Clear? Now how to add it? See, you just first you add as per the place value. In place value we are adding ones first, then tens, then 100, like this, okay. Then we are going to the decimal. Clear? Now see, so just add what is there at ones place. 0, 0 and 2. 2 plus 0 plus 0, how much? 2 only. What is there at 10th place? 1 only. So 1, then decimal. After decimal, 1 is at 10th place and 0 is at 10th place. So 1 plus 0 is 1 only. What is there at 100th place? 3. Here is there any 100th place? No. So 3 will be there. So 12.13. Clear? If you are arranging this in place value chart, then also you can add it easily. Clear? So this is the short form. Next, you will be doing rest of all question number C and D as practice. Okay, question number C and D. Clear? You can verify your answer from the back, and the students, those who don't have their books with them, for them I have already forwarded you the answer key. Clear? Look at that answer key and verify your answers. Now look at question number D, 4th. Here in question number 4, I have already made a place value chart, and see, we will arrange the given question in place value chart and write the color digit, place value of the colored digit. Okay, so 3.25, question number A, 3.25. 3 is at 1's place, point will be decimal, 2 is at 10th, and 5 is at 1. So what is the place value of this color digit? 2 tenth, TENTHS. You can write tenths. Clear? The place value of 2 is tenths. Clear? Like this, you can do other questions. So I'm doing question number C also. 12.05. 12 means 1, 2.05. What is the place value of 5? 5 is the color digit here. 5. So write 5, 10th, 100. 5 is at 100th place. So here we can mark. Here also we can mark. Clear? 100th.